Hi, my name is Greg Palya. I'm with West Roofing Systems and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. Today I want to talk about roof penetrations and spray foam roofing. And the first thing is we're going to talk about what a penetration is. So penetration is anything that comes up through the roof, and they cause some challenges when you're choosing which roofing system to pick. So some examples of penetrations that you're probably familiar of are HVAC units, skylights, pipes, and drains. So almost every roof has all these, and depending on which roofing system you choose, it could promote, a couple of challenges when you're trying to go around these things. So on a spray foam roof, it gets applied by spraying on there. So it can be at least 80% faster going around a curb or a drain than with a rubber roof. Rubber comes in, square patches, and you have to cut them out, customize them around each pipe, each drain, and it just causes a lot of time and a lot of labor to do those. So talking to our sales guys, spray foam is 80% faster, around 80% faster than traditional roofing systems. Also, on a typical curb that most roofing systems have, spray foam roof, we can spray around a curb in about 2 minutes, and the same comparable thing with a rubber roof, about 30 minutes. So you can see the time savings there, and time equals money. So just want to show you that spray foam has quite an advantage there. And the last thing I want to show you real quick is this is not a witch hat. This is a boot. It goes around a certain pipe. So what they'll do is they'll put this over the pipe and they'll cut around here, leaving it exposed on top, and then they'll put some adhesive around the top and do all this. The point is that this is not part of the roofing system. They kind of have its own thing that has some seams around there, and seams are where water can enter the building at the most. So I just want to say at spray foam, it's all one layer. We'll spray up on a pipe and make sure the whole roof's under one layer. So just want to show the difference between spray foam and rubber roofs, and just showing if you have a bunch of penetrations, spray foam would be a good option for you. So just wanted to leave you with that. Hope you learned something new today, and have a good day. Bye-bye.